Looks like somebody is wanting to take a ride in the tractor. Welcome back to the Sawmill, friends. It's Friday. I got hot coffee going right here. Got the TN behind me warming up. A lot going on today. We'll head on down to the burn pile and kind of move that stuff around. It's still smoking a little bit. We'll try to get that flame going again. We're going to do some work on the timber frame. We might get up here to the sawmill as well. If I got enough time, I got to pick up Bruno from school at 3 o'clock. And we might get some maple logs delivered today. I'm not sure about that either. Depends on if the logger can make it over here today. So stick here with me, guys. It's going to be a good day. Hot coffee. Can't beat it. Almost 100,000 subscribers, friends. We're about to hit 95,000. We should be at 95 by the time this video comes out. So hang in there with me. If you don't know, I got a cat climbing my leg. Now he's biting me. Look at this. I'm getting attacked by the cat. Go on. These cats are crazy around here. So anyways, like I was saying, we should be at 95,000 by the time this video comes out. Hopefully we'll be to 100,000 by the end of the year. Hopefully. That's my goal right there, guys. Stick here with me. Let's get some stuff done here. Bit of pushing right there, got the flame going back again. This is a bunch of pine that was too small to put on the sawmill right there, and a lot of it was crooked. That's the biggest majority of what you're looking at right there in offcuts. And a few white oaks that's been on the ground for about 5 or 6 years that are too rotted to saw also. So we'll throw a few more on there, get this thing going. All right now, friends, got the fire going. Got the TYM loaded up with all my tools for the day. Now it's time to head down to the frame and get some work done here. I just want to cover something real fast. In the last video, I was using this right here, the More Power Puller. Had some questions about that. I'll leave a link below to where you can buy those. I bought that one about maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and that's a great tool right there. It's all made in the USA. It's got this high tensile rope right here instead of a cable. That way, if this was to break, it won't fly back and knock your head off. There's no energy stored in the rope, it just falls down. But that right there is supposed to be as strong as steel. That's the original rope that came with it. It's always worked good for me, guys. That right there is expensive, but that's one of those once-in-a-life tools right there. Once you buy that, those little cheap come-alongs at the big box store, you'll throw those in the garbage. That is a good tool right there to have around the farm. So we got loaded up here, got me a level, got my drills, got the Commander right there, or the Beetle, people call that different things. Got a chisel, got some drills. Right there in the middle, in case you're wondering, is my Pelican box, and that's where all the cameras are at. We got a cat wanting to jump in here with us, it looks like. I'd let them ride back here, but they'd jump off as soon as I started moving. But in here, I've never showed this before, has all the cameras, except the one I got in my hand. I got the drone right there, extra batteries, extra memory cards, extra microphones right here, my main camera, which is a Canon DSLR. There's a few GoPros under that. All kinds of stuff in there, guys. Anything you need to make videos with, I keep in there. Huh, there you are. You jumped up here on me. Also added this little ammo can to the tool rack. I got a chain in there. I bought another one of these actually. I got 2 of these cans I bought at Tractor Supply the other day. I'm going to mount the other one this weekend right there as an extra toolbox for the tractor on this step. I can't really use this door to get in and out of the tractor because you got the joystick right there for the loader. It's in the way. So Might as well put me a little ammo can for a toolbox. I'll still be able to open the door up, but I just won't be able to get in on this side. No big deal. Alright guys, this is what I started on last night. I'm going to anchor this post to the concrete. I should have done this a long time ago. We'll come back and finish this in just a minute. I just got a phone call, and that load of maple's on its way over here. Alright friends, check that out. That is a nice load of saw logs, 8-footers, and that is hard maple right there. Good stuff right there, really good stuff. I've not got that much hard maple in a long time. Probably about maybe 800 or 900, maybe 1,000 board feet right here. I've got some long ones there on the bottom. But some really nice saw logs right here on the top. Good stuff right there. Probably do 5/4 and 6/4 boards and something like this. Good stuff. Good size one right there. I'm tickled to death. I think he's going to bring some poplar over next. Good day here at the mill. A lot tight. This is probably the most common question I've gotten on this timber frame since I started it, was how in the world are you going to secure the post to the concrete? Well, here's what I'm doing, and I'm only doing this on the 4 corners of this building. The 2 bents in the middle won't be secured, just the 4 corners will. I think that's going to be plenty. So I got this L bracket right here. I got that at Home Depot. That's about $30. Got some all thread. I drove down in there about 4 or 5 inches. I got some Loctite right there. Put that on the threads and in the hole. When that sets up, those things ain't going anywhere. And as you can see right there, I got a washer and a nut. As soon as this one right here sets up, I'll do the same thing to tighten it down. And once this is tightened down and cured, probably by tomorrow, I'll come in here with my grinder and cut the tops of them off. You don't need this right here sticking up. I can use these on the other corners. There's plenty of thread left right there. And then we'll get some lag bolts and drive into the post, and that's how we're going to secure it to the pad. And also the post is sitting on top of a sheet of metal, and on top of the metal is a little piece of plastic. So that's making a nice little barrier right there between the concrete and the post. That keeps moisture from wicking up from the concrete slab into the timber. So I hope that answers that. We'll come back tomorrow. I don't know what we'll be doing tomorrow, and we'll cut those off and throw the lads in there. I gotta go buy some lads actually. I need some to fit that hole. It's gonna take a pretty good sized bolt to drive in there.